Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're doing a lovely street food speciality from the Kutch region of Gujarat. This is Dabeli. I hope you enjoy this. To make our Dabeli, we need to add our Dabeli Masala, the recipe for which is given down in the captions. To that I'm adding some tamarind paste and some water. I'm going to give this a good stir to ensure there are no lumps. Next I'm going to heat some oil in a pan. To that I'm going to add my Dabeli masala with the tamarind and water mix. I'm going to cook this until it's aromatic. To this I'm going to add boiled and mashed potatoes. My Dabeli potatoes are ready. I'm just removing it on a plate. I'm going to top this with some finely chopped onions. Some freshly grated coconut, masala sing or masala peanuts. To make the masala peanuts, I've heated some oil, put in the Dabeli masala and just roasted the peanuts in that. Some freshly cut coriander leaves, some pomegranate and some save. Now it's time to assemble our Dabeli. For my Dabeli, I have green chutney, recipe available in the videos before. I have some meathi chutney, again the recipe is available in our videos before. Next I'm going to add in my Dabeli masala, the potatoes and the save etc. that was cooked before. The sides I put some more save. Dabeli is cooked in butter until a little crispy. You can even serve the Dabeli just as is without roasting it on the tawa. The Dabeli bread is roasted well on both sides. And now it's time to serve. Our Dabeli is roasted and ready to be served. I hope you enjoy my recipe.